similarities and differences that you have with Jadon and who is the inspiration? Ano yung inspiration mo in portraying Jadon?
Okay, siguro ako yung aside sa pressure na nararamdaman ko na first time ko mag-acting, sobrang grateful din ako na nakasabay ko sila sa first project ko bilang actor. Kasi before this project, before kami mag-tape, yung iba sa amin magkakaibigan na and mas napatibay pa yung friendship namin because of this project. Ayun, along the way, habang nagka-taping, even before the taping, kapag nagka-prep ako, I'm so happy kasi natutulungan ako ng mga kasama ko, ng mga co-artists. Kumbaga, hindi sila selfish na, ay hindi, ako lang may alam nito. Kumbaga, tinutulungan talaga ako. And yung difference siguro ng Jadon at Jello in real life is similarities muna. Siguro, may pagkataas din yung walls ko sa mga tao para protektahan yung sarili ko from harm. And siguro yung pagiging leader na gamit ko rin dun sa mga eksena. At saka differences naman, I think, in real life hindi ako masungit na tao eh. Sobrang welcoming ako sa kahit sino. And yung kay Jadon siguro, parang pinaka-take-away ko rin dun habang ginagawa ko yung role is yung tough love. Parang sobrang naiintindihan ko siya.
Thank you po. And this is for Direct Benny po. Hello po sir, congratulations po.
Hello, Nika.
Working po with this cast, kamusta po itong dynamics nila? And some are parang season na, and then some are newbies po. And what are the challenges that you experience doing this adaptation?
Ang first challenge is yung how will they fit dun sa character na nagawa ni Tina. So yun, may mga assignments sila. So yun nga, obvious, he's the muscle, he's the mind, he's the fun. Tapos yan is the lover boy, parang ganun eh. So parang madali nila kapitan. Overall yung cast, masaya tong grupo na to. Yun, and yun ang maganda dito sa when we were making the movie, exciting siya eh. Tawag dito, tsaka nafe-feel mo na yung, ay, when we're shooting it, ay, may magic to. Tapos yung nakita na namin to, nung sa audition pa lang eh, nung pinipila, kasi when you audition ka na, let's see nga kung ano itsura pag magkakasama to. Nung tinignan namin, ang exciting nito. And hindi pa namin alam na magiging sikat itong mga to sa PBB, may mga ganong exposure. When we're looking at them, parang, ay, may magic to. May magic tong grupo na to.
Thank you, Nika. Maraming salamat.
Thank you ba?
Thank you.
Direct, the next set of questions will come from Reggie Bunoan. Reggie is here, but sinabi niya ako na magtanong ng questions for you, Direct. Base sa trailer ng For Bad Boys and Me, may hawig ito sa Boys Over Flowers at Meteor Garden. Ano po ang ibang mapapanood dito na hindi hawig sa mga nabanggit na series? And kayo po ba ang pumili sa mga bida or dumaan sila sa audition?
Dumaan talaga sa audition. Kaya nga may interview si o may vlog si na 3 beses silang tag dito pinabalik. Kasi after Me, we also presented them to management na tingnan nyo, ito sila oh. So it was a series of auditions, tapos yun, they proved na nakita namin sila eh. Diba? Kaya natuwa kami. Tapos ano yung difference? I think ang difference sila, these actors. Ang similarities, it's both kilig, it's both fresh, nakakatuwa siya. Pero they will be the ones who will gonna make it different. Kasi kikita nyo naman actually naglalakad pa lang, natutuwa kami Tina parang we got a good match.
Alright, thank you, Direk. Ang second question ni Reggie is for the cast. Yung cast na hindi pa sumasali sa PBB. Sino ba yun? Raise your hand nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. May plano ba kayong sumali sa next season ng BBB Collab Celebrity Edition? At why? Kung ayaw nyo, why din? Kasi, let me explain. Yung question ni Reggie kasi may context yun. Sabi niya, kasi base sa resulta ng recent PBB collab, umingay yung mga pangalan ng mga sumali at dumami ang projects even in endorsements. So, it was a good exposure in other words, ang gustong sabihin ni Reggie. So for the rest na hindi pa nag-PBB, would you be interested to join? Harvey?
I don't want to say no. I don't want to close the door permanently. Pero siguro now, and in the near future po, siguro hindi po muna. Because right now I'm very much focused on building a career and a diverse set of roles na I am proud of.
Okay.
And this is my work as an actor. I think I've been doing this for more than 12 years na siguro, and I just, kumbaga, parang for me, yes, it's amazing exposure. And it could give me so much more than I have now. Pero ang focus ko lang po kasi talaga ngayon is getting better at what what I think I'm good at, just acting po. So that's where my head's at. But it's not a never. Maybe in the future, maybe when I'm more, siguro, open. Siguro not now. But, who knows? Yeah.
Jello, ikaw, would you be open?
Parang hirap ng tanong na yun, pero ako ngayon, why not? Kasi kung
Bakit mahirap?
kumbaga, i-ready mo talaga sarili mo dyan mentally eh. Kasi hindi naman yung normal na ginagawa mo everyday na may phone, mga kasama mo sa buhay, ganyan. Pero ako, kung makakabuting way naman to para ipakilala ko yung sarili ko and my group EGYO, why not?
Dalawang big winner kasama niyo, Angie and Brento, di ba?
Why?
So kung kailangan niyo ng tips, yan lang, kausapin niyo lang yung dalawa. Jella, would you be open? Ayun, humingi ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
When I think about it now, kasi parang malabo.
Okay.
Because if, let's say, the next season, I can join because I'm currently in med school now. So, I don't really have the time na kailangan for that. Like,
Right.
being isolated or, yeah. So, right now, no. But in the future, we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know. Maybe, yes.
Si Chris, si Annalyn before I go to Krista.
If given the chance, yes, I wouldn't say no to it because it's such a big opportunity. Maybe for the second batch of the collab, third time's the charm, you know? This is gonna be the third time I'm gonna be auditioning for PBB.
Oh.
So, tingnan natin.
Okay.
But if it's really not meant for me, I'm not gonna push for it because I know there's so much more opportunities outside the house.
Okay. I pray for your happy heart. Crystal.
Siguro for now po, no, not yet. I already tried po for the most recent collab. And I think it was a sign that I wasn't put in. And I think that's okay because right now I'm in first year college. I'm trying to pursue that and I have other projects going on for me. So I'll just focus on those for now.
So, may nagpo-focus kasi sa school, no? Si Jella sa si Crystal. Okay. Lalayo ko na yung mic sa akin sa pinapunchline ko na si Annalyn.
Can you describe yung four bad boys na naka-work mo as workmates?
As workmates, you know what? First of all, ito yung similarities ng lahat. Sorry na, nabubulol. But yung similarities ng the four bad boys, well, I am stepping out on my zone, in my comfort zone, in my bubble. I wasn't afraid to go out because they make me comfortable. Kasi ang bilis nilang katrabaho, ang gaan nilang kasama, and then there's this parang energy na it's just really attractive and it's really warm na it makes me feel like although na I'm working, it makes me feel like, you know, I'm hanging out with my friends, na parang feeling ko talaga estudyante din ako, feeling ko din talaga na parang, grabe, mapapagano na lang, kung sa isip ko pa, mapapagano na lang talaga ako na, wow, these people are so kind, and you make me feel so warm, and I'm so blessed to have them. Grabe, ang bait ni Lord.
Kayo ka closest sa
Closest sa apat, I would say si Jello kasi lagi ko itong ka-eksena eh. Di ba? Dalugaw. Si Derek Dalugaw.
Thank you. And for Direk,
Okay.
consecutively po kasi naka-work nyo sa mga recent projects nyo are veteran actors, ganyan. So, ano po yung naging advantage or fun part na maka-work ang mga newbies?
Ayun, actually yun ay mahilig akong iba-iba eh. And it's really refreshing when you're working with new actors. I have projects na mga bago. Actually, yun nga, challenge sa akin lagi na makadiscover ng bagong mga artista, tapos put them in character. Kasi talaga, sa start ang nagpapasikat sa artista yung character eh. Diba? Diba, maski sa book, diba, nababasa yung character ka nun. So it's really a challenge and it's fun for me na yung mga artista na to. And may intention talaga kami ng yung ABS had an intention for this project. They wanted a new batch of leading men and women. I think we're gonna achieve it eh. Kita niyo naman, di ba? This is the next, di ba? This is the next generation and I'm happy to be part of it.
Thank you po. Thank you, MJ.
Hindi. Ako. May nag-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid eh. Oh. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Meron ka ba second question? Wala na. You're good? Okay. Si Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you here? Jay, okay Jay. Ikaw na. Nakalimutan mo yung tanong mo. O sige, ako na.
Ito, soft girl.
Gano'n ka soft?
Soft. Softer. Hindi, ayun po.
Kasing soft ng Candy Cloud or fabric conditioner?
Marshmallow.
Meron bang peg? Kung sino yan?
Peg. Wala pa po akong peg. Pero malay po natin.
Okay. Jello, ikaw. What kind?
Siguro yung soft din po.
Soft din.
Opo. Kumbaga, kung sakali mang bad girl yung kung paano siya outside, yung same kay Crystal, yung kumbaga, sa akin lang good. Ganun.
Okay. Brent?
Sa akin po, siyempre bad girl. Kasi pag bad girl, mas may thrill eh. Parang, it will never get boring. Pag bad girl.
Oh, may mga nag-oo dito. Parang Harvey, ikaw.
Ako, siguro hindi naman yung suplada, pero mas risk taker. Kumbaga parang pag may gusto siya, she's really gonna take action to make it happen talaga. Tapos yung tipong gagawin niya yung mga alam niyo dapat di niya dapat gawin. Pero nandun yung thrill. Parang yung sinabi ni Brent, tama? Diba? Pero gets
Gets.
sense. Parang ganun na parang,
Kumbaga may pagka-adventurous side,
yeah,
di ba?
parang when pag nagpipitch siya sa'yo ng idea at first parang, tapos biglang,
Sige nga.
parang ganun na excited.
Someone who loves the thrill,
Yeah.
di ba? River, yes.
Ako, doon tayo sa Good Girl.
Wala ka sumagat si Jenna, the good girl.
Hindi lang maganda sa labas, pero sa puso lang.
Nag-aaral ng med school. Yeah!
Birthday niya ngayon.
Yeah! Thank you, River! Thank you, guys. Okay. Alan Sincon of Stars Photog will ask the next.
Alam ko it was shoot before you enter PBB House, di ba? So, would you think ito yung parang sa palagay mo yung mga fans mo will support this because you are part of PBB? Sabi nga, mas nakilala ka, di ba? Do you think mas papanoorin nila because you are the big winner of PBB?
Siyempre, it comes along with it naman. Yung supporters po kasi talaga, grabe, kahit anong gawin mo, 100% ibibigay din talaga yung suporta nila. So, I would say yes po. Pero more than that, grabe din po talaga yung suporta nitong Wattpad book na to eh. So, yun, tulong na lang po siguro sila, kaya it's very exciting.
Thank you, Brent. Yung second question ko for River. River, alam namin nag-trending yung gray pants mo inside PBB House, di ba? Iba pala yung dito, mas marami bang mga gray pants that you're wearing?
Bagoy nga si Alan.
Ano ba yun?
Sinunog ko na po yung gray pants na yun. Kaya naka-black pants na ako ngayon. Pero hindi, less gray pants na po. Mas dark colors po yung...
May nagre-request dito, more daw. Sabi nila. Sa
Hello,
gilid.
Alan.
May nagsasabi sa gilid. Yeah, so congratulations everyone to your...
Thank you, Alan.
Para may kilig.
May video ko to.
Kung may isang kanta yung BGY or na parang, ano ba ito mo?
Gusto mo kantahin ka?
Gusto mo kantahin kay Angie, ano ito at bakit? Oh.
Feeling ko all these ladies.
Sabon.
With the steps.
Ay, ginawa niyo sa TikTok, di ba? Dustin, ginawa niyo yun?
Pasabayan niyo ako.
Yes! Harvey, ginawa niyo yan. Nakita ko, River, na ginawa niyo yan.
Yes, with the steps.
Feeling ko all these ladies kasi yung song na yun is about honoring women. The women deserve to be celebrated, to be parang i-treat na queen. And I think perfect si Angie para kantahan ng gano'n. Sumisayaw pa. Panagluto. Marami kaming content about dyan, kaya abangan.
Bonggas. Pero para sa mga boys, paano kayo magpakilig ng babae?
So we asked that for Brent, River, Dustin, and Shallow. And Harvey.
Yeah. Kay River muna.
Paano magpakilig? Paano ba? Siguro depende talaga sa person, pero para sa akin, yung love language ko talaga is time and acts of service, and siguro doon na ako nagpo-focus sa pwede kong bigyan sa kanya.
No, River, you're right. Because you cannot say that nakakakilig yung ginawa mo. The only person who will say na nakakakilig yun is the receiver, right? So tama ang question na lang is, ano yung love language mo? Na para na kinikilig yung receiver. So ano ulit yung love language ni River? Acts of service and?
Acts of service and quality time.
Quality time. So may quality time na ngayon.
Meron naman po.
Yes! Harvey, ikaw, what's your love language?
Siguro tama po kasi yung sinabi ninyo yun, di ba? Wala naman pong iisang explanation or reason kung ano po yung nakakakilig. Kumbaga, I think for me, you just need to listen to your partner. Everyone has different needs, everyone has different wants. And sabihin natin yung nakakakilig sa akin, bakit hindi nakakakilig sa kanya? Or something that I would find cute that I could do for her, maybe it isn't that cute sa kanya or nakakilig sa kanya. So I think it's all about listening to your partner, knowing how they want to be seen and valued and taken care of and loved.
So ano mang love language mo?
Love
Acts of
language
service,
ko,
gifts,
it's quality time and I would say quality time and physical touch.
physical.
Yeah.
So she needs to be next to you lagi.
Yes.
Wow. Alright. Brent, ikaw, what's your love language?
I've realized more than the grand gestures, kasi minsan from time to time kailangan din talaga yun. Pero it's really about the small things. As long as it's genuine, totoo talaga yung pinapakita mo, yung magbigay ka lang ng konting assurance na everyday na siya pa rin talaga yung gusto mo or siya pa rin yung mahal mo. Yun, I think yun talaga.
So words of affirmation kay Brent. Jello, ikaw.
Well, ako yung type siguro na kapag gusto ko yung tao, ako yung nagsusulat ng handwritten letters, parang mga mga playlist, ganyan. Siguro, kaya ko rin pagluto kung gusto ko. Pero, feeling ko ngayon, ang love language na usually nabibigay ko is paramdam ko na I'm consistent and quality time tsaka service siguro.
Dustin, ikaw.
Ayun po.
Ano yun? Anong love language ni Dustin? Is it words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, physical touch?
Acts of service po. And guys, kasi pag pakilig, torpe kasi ako, aminin ko na dito. Then po, acts of service talaga, then words of affirmation.
Right. Para ma-assure. Bix?
Yes. I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied.